Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today is a very special day. A little sweet we're going to make. In fact, it is Christmas Eve and we thought of making coconut burfi for you viewers. And of course, Christmas is a very good time and a very joyful occasion to create something new and something really different. So here we are going to make, my mom is going to make a coconut burfi as well as help from my dad as well as me. Of course, my wife too will be helping out too. So all of us are going to make for you a little sweet dish for Christmas. So stay along, watch the entire video and do share your comments also. And in advance, let's wish each other a Merry Christmas. The basic ingredient to make a coconut burfi is coconuts, and this we have grated coconuts over here, and it is around 2 cups of grated coconut. So it should be around 200 plus around 400 grams of grated coconut. Next ingredient is sugar. We have got 1 cup of sugar over here, that is around 200 grams. The next step is to take a pan and first drop in the 1 cup of sugar that we have kept aside as the ingredients. The next step is to pour 100 ml of water onto the sugar. We are pouring water just to dissolve the sugar as it boils. Not to make our burfi a little too much sweet, we are adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But please be careful while you add the salt. The next step is to add the coconuts after the sugar is melted. We need to add 2 cups of grated coconut along with the sugar syrup. Now we added the 2 cups of coconut along with the sugar syrup. Next we need to mix all of them together by stirring it. The next step is to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom. This to give a very pleasant taste to a coconut burfi. We continue to stir the coconut ingredients until the moisture evaporates. So in fact around 80% of the moisture needs to be evaporated as we make our burfi. As we stir it, the consistency to be as such that of the coconut pieces falling apart. So that's the reason why we continue to stir our coconut or to boil a coconut till they are evaporated out of water. Now still there is some more water existent in our coconut, grated coconut, and for this we should continue to stir. Also, as we make a grated coconut burfi, we can add a little cashew nut or raisins so that to add a little more taste for a coconut burfi. Now the consistency of a coconut mixture or ingredients has dried up. The next step is to take it off the stove and spread it on a plate. As we wait for the coconut ingredients to cool down, we take a plate and we put in some ghee. Now we place a dried coconut onto a plate that is greased with ghee. Next we spread it across the plate. Now we need to even the coconut ingredients that we have placed onto the plate by pressing it around and spreading it evenly on this plate. Next we need to leave it for 10 minutes for cooling. The next step is to cut our coconut burfi into small pieces. So we need to do it before it turns cold. Now we are cutting our coconut burfi pieces lengthwise as well as into smaller pieces. Once you finish cutting up pieces, then you can allow it to cool. In fact, let's not cut the coconut burfi after it turns cold. Let's wait till the coconut burfi cools down and we are going to taste a piece of our freshly made coconut burfi. We hope you liked watching our video of how to make coconut burfi.
And this is the Christmas season, and we wanted to make this special dish for all you viewers. You have been really supportive and encouraging over the last year, and we're really thankful and grateful to you. Please don't forget to share this once again with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. And by the way, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Yeah. And this is a wishes from all our Travel Chef team. And here we wish you all. Take care. Bye-bye.